Have you ever needed to update text inside an image or document while keeping everything else looking consistent? Professional text editing is all about precision, attention to detail, and maintaining the original appearance. Every project begins with careful observation. Font style, font size, spacing, alignment, color, and layout are analyzed so the updated text blends naturally with the existing design. The goal is to create a clean, polished, and professional result that looks visually consistent. Another important aspect is preserving the overall quality of the file. High-resolution editing helps maintain sharp text, smooth edges, and balanced formatting. Whether the content is simple or more detailed, every element is adjusted carefully to keep the final result neat and visually accurate. Many people also search for solutions that allow them to edit text without changing metadata. Metadata is information that can be associated with a digital file, while the visible content is what people actually see. Depending on the editing workflow and software used, it's important to understand how files are handled and to choose an approach that best fits your needs. Professional editing focuses on accuracy, consistency, and quality. Small details such as character spacing, line height, margins, and positioning can make a significant difference in the final appearance. Taking the time to match these elements carefully helps produce a natural and professional-looking result. Whether you're updating a design, correcting visible text, improving readability, or making layout adjustments, careful editing ensures that the finished file looks clean and well organized. Every modification should blend seamlessly with the original style so that the overall design remains balanced and visually appealing. If you're looking for high-quality text editing with attention to detail, precision, and a professional finish, choosing an experienced editor can help ensure consistent, accurate, and visually polished results every time.